Now available at McCarthy Cars, 2013 Chevrolet Orlando 2.0 VCDI turbo diesel with 163 horsepower. The vehicle is in metallic black finish with a 18-inch of Chevrolet alloy wheels. It's got a privacy glass, rear parking sensors, and a reversing camera, which I'm going to demonstrate once we get into the car. This vehicle is a 7-seater. As you can see, the seats, it's very easy to fold them. It's got a luggage cover as well, but I took it off for the video purposes because it's difficult with one hand. The vehicle is in excellent condition. Front view, it's got a front forks. Moving to the interior, it's got matching black leather interior with 7 headrests. It's got ISOFIX for child seat preparation, and for your safety, it's got front, side and rear airbags. The rear airbags, and then the rear 2 seats. It's got a rear center armrest with 2 cup holders. So on the door, it's got the electric windows and 40 mirrors. The leather is in good condition. It's got a driver's side armrest. Auto headlights. It's got a automatic transmission. The vehicle has covered only 17,000 miles. It's got a multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control on the left hand side. It's got heated seats, air conditioning with a climate control. Bluetooth connectivity.
Automatic connection is off.
Then it's got a traction control, power steering wheel, obviously. It's got satellite navigation. Let me demonstrate the reversing camera. It's got a rear view dimming mirror. So this was the quick overview of the Chevrolet Orlando. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call.